Hello, and welcome to Spy Math. This is Mr. Spy, and will be part 3 of my series on logarithms on the logarithmic laws. Okay, let's look at what those 4 laws are. Usually only learn 3 in class, so 3 main you learn in class. So the product law, the log of AB equals the log of A plus log of B. The quotient rule, log of A divided by B equals log of A minus log B. And the most important one, the power rule, log of A to the C equals C times log A. That's one used to solve our equations. Also, sometimes listed as the root rule, log of the cth root of A is log of A divided by the index C. This value right here is called the index, and the number inside the root is called the radicand. Just reminding you on some terminology I may use in this video, because I like to use mathematical terminology. Let's go on to an example using each rule. So log of 36 can be rewritten as the log of 18 plus the log of 2. Because 18 times 2 is 36. Log of 5/3 can be found by finding the log of 5 minus the log of 3. Log of 8 can be found by finding 3 times the log of 2, because 2 to the 3rd power is 8 in the last case. Log of the 5th root of 100 can be found by finding the log of the inside number, 100, divided by 5, which equals 2/5, because the log of 100 equals 2, because I mentioned before, to find the log in base 10 of a number, just count the number of zeros. In this case, it's 2. So the log of 100 is 2. And the log of 5, the 5th root of 100 is 2/5. Okay. Now, sometimes they ask you to expand logarithmic expansions using the logarithmic laws. Let's see this example. Okay. So log of 15 x squared, you use the product rule to break it up. Log of 15 plus log of x squared. Then use the power rule to simplify and more. Log of 15 plus 2 times log of x. And that is this log expanded. On to the next one. Use this quotient rule to find the natural log of x squared over y cubed. So it's the natural log of x squared minus the natural log of y cubed. Then use the power rule, which equals 2 natural log of x minus 3 natural log of y. On to the next one. This one involves roots. Same thing, use the division rule or the quotient rule. Equals the natural log of 5 of the 5th root of x to the 5th minus the log, the cubed root, the square root of y. Don't know why I said cubed root. Then you rewrite both of them as exponents. So log of the 5th root of x to the 5/3, the number inside becomes numerator, number in the index becomes denominator, minus the log of square root of y, which is y to the 1/2 power. Notice I'm not using the power rule. It's much more complicated to use. Make sure the bases of both logs are the same. Bring the exponent to the run, 5/3 log of base 5 of x minus 1/2 log base 5 of y. And that's how you expand this one. Sometimes they could ask you to reverse, unexpand, or write a single logarithm. So you have log of 2x plus log of 3x. That means you multiply. So that's the log of 2x times 3x, which would equal the log of 6x squared. Okay, same thing here. You have log of 5x to the 12th minus log 2x to the 8th. You rewrite it as a log of a fraction. So 5x to the 12th over 2x to the 8th. When you divide exponents, you subtract. So we have log of 5 halves x to the 4th. And the final example, this one, 3 times the log x plus half log y. Simplify what's in the parentheses first. So we get 3 times log of x plus log of y to the half. Then it's 3 times log of x, y to the half equals log x, y to the half, whole thing raised to the 3rd. And let's simplify it a little more. Log of x to the 3rd, y to the 3 halves. You also could write it as a radical, but that seems simple enough to me. On to the last example before I show you a special case. Log of x to the half plus log of y to the 5th. Since they're being added, you combine them, so it becomes log of x to the half times y to the 5th, which equals log of y to the 5th square root x, written as a radical. Either answer is acceptable. Okay? Now on to a weird case that's sometimes asked. Something like this. If log base, let's say 3 of 5 equals 2.4, what does the log of 125 equals to? Well, 5 to the 3rd equals 125. So log of 3 to 125 equals 3 times 2.4, which is 7.2. And that's a weird example they ask. Also, they ask you to use logarithmic laws to simplify more complicated expressions. I will not show that in this video, but if interested to see that, put a comment below. It will not be in any of the 5 videos of the series. The last 2 videos in the series are about solving exponential equations using logarithms. First video is about basic case. The second one is about special common formulas you may see. This is Mr. Spy, signing off.